Hello, Daddy. This is the front side of the warehouse. This is the first camera, as you can see. The solar plate is outside. Then the entire camera is installed. Okay, it's a Bluetooth connection, a network connection field. So we have to set the network so we can connect. So this is the other one. This is the second one. This is the second one to the pig fence. First thing to the pig fence. As you can see, the way directly is straight. Okay, you see it? Facing directly, so when we're to rotate, it will rotate all on the side, all around here to the rotating, then carry up. So let me move to the tier one at the back. As you can see, the weather is very dark. Network connection field, we know. I know network connection field, I'll connect it. So this is the other one. This is the other one. See it? So everything is set sack. So it just complaining network connection field, network connection field, network connection field. So we have to set the network system so it can start flowing. Can you imagine a chip that I put inside it? After you say the chip is small, we should look for 160 something gig. I want to take it all the talk we're talking, we call it all. So this is it for the camera. So they want we integrate the entire box. Oh yeah, we take the entire box. It will come to stop here. 1041. The one will take the entire area because it will rotate, it will focus so and then it focus so. So it will take the entire side all to the big fence. Then I want if on the horse now we take the entire front view. So everything will be okay. Let me go to the pig fence. Hello Daddy, this is a female piglet trap. As you can see. And now piglets, they are all sucking. Whoa. Like I said, about 4 minutes. So this is it. This is it. See, they are all we have here. FT. It's a wish much go. We're going to enter inside all of them. Go ahead, Look at I'm at a pig. Go on again. Last play.
I go tell myself
Again, last play. Bow.
Oh, fancy me, ask me, you know, what I mean, the whole way was not one of them.
How do you like it? I'm posting to play. Pig and a positive.
Yeah, you like it.
So this is our piglets.
The 2 months, I will tell you one here. The phone.
I think we play.
Yeah, very many. Don't you say, spoil the people.